pull it in just slightly. Now, when we get to the top here, this is the part that I'm going to use the X-ray so that you guys can see on the inside of what I'm doing. So, when we get to the top here, we want a little bit of a lip. Just a slight tad one. Now, the lip can be on the inside, it can be on the outside. E for extrude, and you're just going to do it very tiny, just very tiny at the edges here. Scale inwards just slightly. Oops. Yeah. Press S to scale. Scale inwards just slightly. E for extrude, but don't move it. Then we're just going to scale inwards so it's flat. We go E for extrude again. Don't move it. Scale inwards. And now we're going to go G. I can get this. G. And then we're going to go down slightly. So now you can see that we've gone onto the inside of our object. E for extrude again. And you can see the walls coming in just there. Now you can follow the same patterns as all of the lines here if you'd like, or you can put your own patterns in. Totally up to you. I'm just going to scale this one outwards just slightly. Now what you want to do at this point, so this dark grey part here is inside of our vase, and this more lighter part here is the outer side of the vase. So what you want to do is you want to just leave a tiny, tiny gap. So if we go for E for extrude again, you'll notice that we've got a little bit of a gap. And E for extrude, because if you go on the outside of this, then the vertices come out. So, for example, that doesn't look very good if it's like that. So you want this just on the inside, so that you've got that little space, you've got that little gap. E for extrude again, scale inwards, E for extrude,